Simmons Homebrew, coming at you with a beer review. It's a little chilly out here, probably about 40, 43 in that range. And we've got a fun beer here. This is from Great Notion Brewing out of Portland, Oregon. This is the So Wrong It's Ripe, and I've reviewed Ripe many years ago with my buddy Larmo22, Larry, and this is just a variant off of Ripe. This is a New England IPA, a hazy. It's 7% ABV. It is brewed with Pilsner malts, oats, wheat, and rye, and Citra hops. And then they went and put a bit of Clover honey in during fermentation. And then they finish it off with a huge kick of Citra again. So I think the rye is a new thing as well as the honey. So let's get into it. All right, we'll get the pour. Oh, that was sacrilege. A little tiny bit went down. We're gonna give it a swirl because I want to get stuff up off the bottom in this pour. And I still have room for a swirl, but you can see it's a wheat color, a hazy wheat color. That's normal. Got a full finger head on there. It's white and fluffy. All right, let's get it up to the nose. Well, the first thing I get right away is that Citra Kick. I mean, and that is kind of what you expect, is the big Citra on this. It is rather cold. It's right out of the refrigerator. And this temperature out here is not going to help it any at all. So I will sacrifice my hands a little bit. Well, mostly I'm getting a big citrus kick off it right away. A hint of like a grapefruit and a bit of an orange as well, kind of a pithy almost orange type of scent. You do know that it's a hazy. You can tell. You get a little bit of maybe like some tropical, possibly some pineapple on it. I would say at this point I can't pick up the honey, but like I said, it is rather cold all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive on in. Cheers. Okay, so you definitely get a citrus kick on this. You get the Citra for sure. I feel like I get like a yellow grapefruit, a little bit of some orange on that. I can really feel it on the back side as it leaves that light bitterness, and the oats are there and the wheat is there, of course. The honey, you get a little bit of the honey kick right on the back side a little bit. You kind of taste it right there. I'm gonna try to get this to warm up if that's even possible, and then see where it goes. I actually had to go inside the house to warm it up because I had to be able to warm me up. All right, let's see what we get now. There's just a bit of a hint of the honey now on the aroma. Maybe a slight hint of a stone fruit on there. Pineapple-ish type quality, but in general some tropical on there. Oh yeah, I like it warmed up a little bit. So it's back down. You still get a little bit of the white, or I should say, yellow grapefruit. You get a bit of orange on there. A little bit of that citrus builds up again. So it's like the citrus rind, so to speak. Yeah, you still get some of the honey on the background, but it's nice. It's really nice. I think that little bit of honey just adds a little bit of sweetness, and kind of smooths it out a little bit, I'd say. This is a nice beer. This is a really good hazy. Some of you know I love getting the clear beers, make more clear beers. But Great Notion makes amazing hazies. So this is one wonderful beer. Let's figure out ratings for this one. In terms of hazies, I mean, it still ranks right up there. It's just a fantastic hazy. I think for a hazy, I'm gonna give this a 92. Overall, I'm gonna go down just a little bit just because I'm just so tired of all these hazies. I want my clear beers and other styles too. I'd like the IPA world to balance out a little bit in what they produce. We can produce things that are not hazies and very tasty. I do enjoy those styles. But overall, I'm going to give this a 90, though. It's still a fantastic beer. So here you are. If you look at it, you've got your pirate and his pirate lady right there. And this is so wrong. It's ripe. Nice play on there. Going after that original ripe, which I've got a can stashed away to enjoy later. I'd say go out and get this one. This is a fun beer. You can't go wrong with it. Great notion. I know that you can still find this one out there. Today is December 8th. We're heading towards Christmas. So go celebrate a little bit early and grab one for yourself. This is Kevin at Clements Homebrew saying life's too short to drink cheap beer, and I will see you on the next beer review.